A message to transport companies preparing for the future. What will separate the transport companies that lead the next decade from those that struggle to keep up? It won't simply be bigger fleets, it won't be lower price, and it certainly won't be working harder with outdated systems. The future belongs to companies that build smarter operations today. If you are responsible for managing a transport business, this message is for you. The transportation industry is changing faster than ever. Customer expectations are rising. Competition is increasing. Labor challenges continue to grow. At the same time, businesses are being asked to operate more efficiently, more sustainably, and more profitably than before. The companies succeeding in this environment are not waiting for problems to force change. They are preparing in advance. Think about the most successful transport operator in the world. They don't focus only on vehicles, they focus on systems. They understand that every process inside a depot affects overall performance. Vehicle preparation, maintenance, dispatches, cleaning, workflow management. Each process contributes to the speed, efficiency, and profitability of the entire operation. Small improvements make today become major competitive advantage tomorrow. One of the biggest mistakes companies make is assuming that operational inefficiencies are just part of doing business. They accept delays, they accept rising labor costs, they accept processes that consume time and resources. But industry leaders think differently. They continuously look for ways to eliminate friction, simplify workflow, and create scalable operations that can support long-term growth. This is exactly why automation is becoming a key part of modern transport infrastructure worldwide. Not because technology is replacing people, but because smart systems allow people and business to perform at a high level. Autonomous vehicle washes is one example of how transport companies can improve efficiency, reduce operational pressure, and create more consistent daily performance without increasing complexity. At Go&Go, we believe the future of transportation belongs to business that invests in smarter infrastructure today. Our automatic transport systems are designed to help transport companies operate more efficiently, present a stronger brand image, and prepare their depot for future expansion. Because growth should be exciting, not limited by outdated processes. 5 years from now, the transport company leading their market will likely look back and realize that their success was not built by the one big decision. It was built by a series of smart decisions made consistently over time. The question is simple. Will your business be one of them? If you are ready to build a more efficient, scalable, and future-ready transport operation, contact Go&Go today. Let's explore how automation can help transform your depot into a competitive advantage and support growth for years to come.